spent $60 million. U.S. tests new hypersonic aircraft to replace SR-72. The God of War broke pubases at the U.S. Air Force was ever more impressive. Hermes Hypersopic Qυarterhorse jet might just be the jet of the future, possibly rhetoric EVA. Lockheed Martip's jet of the future, the hypersopic SR-72, before it sees the light of day. U.S. tests Top-Secret Hypersopic Aircraft. To beat SR-72. The Qυarterhorse has broke up Pew Group at the United States Air Force is more than impressed. So much so that they've awarded the startup company a $60 million contract to flight test the Qυarterhorse. The Qυarterhorse is estimated to travel Mach 5 speeds, 5 times the speed of soup. Opposite will go apt is based off the turbine-based umbilical TB epjet, which combines a supersonic turbojet epjet with a scramjet, which is simply a supersonic combustion ramjet epjet. This epjet configuration means the Qυarterhorse would perform effortlessly well at whatever speeds, be it the relatively low commercial airlift speeds of today, or at hypersonic speeds that would leave EVA fighter jets in the dust. The Qυarterhorse has broken new grounds, and the United States Air Force is more than impressed. If you enjoy content like this, please go ahead and like and subscribe to this video because I appreciate all your support.